Most likely planning the militia's next strike.
Reynard is one of the Shadow Client's top lieutenants, and yet she's not a target.
Not yet, anyway. She's no doubt high on our client's list, but for now, it's information we seek. Infiltrate the house and get us a lead on the Shadow Client. Up for some B&E, 47.
On my way. No cars.
They could be out. Could be lying low. The satellite scans were inconclusive. Only one way to find out, I'm afraid.
In Japan, Kronstadt Industries' much-hailed surgery robot, nicknamed the Spider...
47. That computer. See if you can't access it. Encrypted. Assuming there's a key, Reynard wouldn't just leave it lying around. Wait. According to the floor plan, the room you're in should be a lot bigger. There might be a concealed space behind the wall. Check for hidden panels, 47.
So far, Kronstadt has been silent about the incident, but CEO Roberts are barely out of their mourning period. But today, Monumental Records announced a new record release by synth rock sensation The Class. Jordan Cross, the class' charismatic yet tormented frontman, who got under the during the recording of the band's much-anticipated sophomore album, left behind 3 brand new tracks, with Monumental plans.
Thought so. This should be interesting. Here we go. For the office computer, no doubt. Nicely done, 47. Should allow you to move more freely.
I'm in.
Hurry. I'm detecting movement up the road. A motorcade, possibly Reynard's.
Uploading the data.
Hold on. Receiving it now. Nothing on the Shadow Client or the other cells. No names, no aliases. I doubt she even knows whom she's working for. Wait, here's something. A message from Robert Knox of Kronstadt Industries. And by the sound of it, he's a Providence operative.
A defector.
Well, well, well. Client won't like this one bit.
And you can't wait to tell him. They're back. Multiple hostiles.
I see them. Damn. Okay, we've got all we're going to get. Go to stage 2, 47. Eliminate Reynard, and preferably without raising suspicion. One step ahead of the Shadow Client for once. Let's keep it that way.
Ugh, thought this night would never end. What a snob fest. And I even missed out on the action.
I'm sorry you had to endure all that free champagne and cello music, Orson. What can I say? You really took one for the
Yeah,
team.
well, I say stick to what you know.
Larson 4 days ago was indeed an act of terrorism. This is the 5th titan of industry to be murdered since the kidnapping and execution of media mogul Thomas Cross in New York
It's
a month
Orson.
ago. While no organization has yet claimed responsibility,
never mind.
authorities believe these politically motivated killings are the work of highly trained mercenaries. In Japan, Kronstadt Industries much hailed.
Max? Maximilian? Here, boy. Oh, could you fix me a cup of tea?
Sure thing. You want sugar? Honey?
Honey.
No problemo.
Mr. Donovan. Not very convincing, Mr. Donovan. Take a deep breath and try again. Much better. Now, you will take the stairs up to the rooftop helipad, where your boss, Rupert Pierce, is taking his morning jog. You will inform his guards that you are delivering an urgent message. You will approach Mr. Pierce, lure him close to the edge, and toss him off the building.
Knock it down. Well done, 47. Now get off the property.
I need some help over here, Prado! Hey, stay sharp!
Roof is clear. Moving on.
We gotta find the punk! Search the area! Come on, you copy? Yeah, I'm there now. Nothing here on the roof. Over. Area clear. Proceeding to next sector. Come at me, staff. Someone's making trouble. Possibly high on drugs.
The Mercs have discovered your boat, 47. They're on high alert, combing the beach for intruders. Proceed with caution.
No way to get past them unnoticed. I suggest you cause a distraction, 47, and make it a loud one.
Krieger, the insurance mogul in Berlin. Verisan Martin, the retail giant. Rex Larson, the shipping king. The global. Can't wait to see that smug